Namaste and hello to everyone. This is your health coach Rahul Patil and I'm going to speak about my journey so far. My journey to smart fast and get fit. My journey into health and fitness and human performance did not begin yesterday. It started almost 29 years ago when I was competing as a boxer and studying my sports science. Boxing taught me discipline, hunger, pain, recovery, mindset, and one very important truth: the body responds when the mind is committed. Over the years, this journey continued to evolve. I studied exercise, nutrition, performance, lifestyle, and human behavior. And human behavior is very interesting, and neuro-linguistic programming taught me that. But the real turning point came around 2018 and 19 when I entered the world of functional medicine. That opened another door completely. I started looking beyond calories, weight, and symptoms. I began asking deeper questions. Why is insulin high? Why is fat not burning? Why does diabetes happen? Why does PCOS happen? Why does it keep coming back? Why do athletes train hard but still lack recovery? Why does the gut, stress, and sleep affect everything? Since then, it has been a powerful curve of learning, experimenting, observing, and healing. After helping many people reverse diabetes, lose weight, improve energy, manage PCOS, reverse PCOS, heal from PCOS, enhance sports performance, and rebuild their health, I also had the blessing of applying these principles in my own home, managing my child's nutrition from infancy with real food, natural living, and strong foundations. And after all these years of learning, practice, and patient results, I have arrived at a simple but powerful formula, and that works for everyone. Smart fast and get fit. Remember, smart fast and get fit. It is not a diet, it is not a shortcut, it is not a temporary challenge. It is a lifestyle that works with human biology. The S in SMART stands for science-led, M is for metabolically aware, A is for ancestral aligned, R is for root cause focused, T is for threshold trained, and FAST stands for F, fast intelligently, A, avoid ultra-processed foods, S, strengthen your body daily, and T, track your progress. The four pillars are simple: root cause analysis, fast and feast, movement and meditation, and the fourth one is gut detox. This formula is powerful because it does not fight the body, it understands the body. I believe it is almost failure-proof, but with one honest condition. The seeker must come with consistency, discipline, and wholehearted intent. That's all that is required for 100% success. Because healing is not magic, but when science, nature, discipline, and faith come together, the results can feel magical. Smart fast and get fit. Manage insulin, burn fat, reclaim health. This is your health coach, Rahul Patil, and I practice functional medicine in a little different way at Migenetic Nutrition. Reclaim your ancestral health now.